My hot tub keeps blowing 30 amp fuse. Found one of my pumps making noise. Pulled apart, found piece of filter rubber. Replace impeller and seal. Pretty straightforward. Reinstalled, all okay. Ran heater okay. When I turn on jets after a period of time will blow one of the 30 amp fuses. Bussman FRNR 30 id. Sweetwater Spa.
Good morning, I'm Gerald. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues and will do all I can to assist you. Unfortunately, it sounds like when the pump was jammed up it may have caused issues with motor bearings and/or capacitor. When the pump is running, I'd like you to check the temperature of the motor housing. It should be warm, but not hot to the touch. I have a feeling it may be getting too hot.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.